So here I got my IZENGATE mobile phone case for the LG G3. That's how the packaging comes. This is a nice looking case. As you can see, the texture of it has a nice lanyard, card holder. Now let's see if my phone fits inside of it. So here's my LG G3. Okay, it looks like a two-handed operation.
Oh, you're gonna pause? When you're at a concert, you say...
So as you can see, got my phone inside of it. Everything looks great. You can see the camera on the back. And the stand works, so you can watch comfortably without holding your phone and do stuff.
You gotta pause? No, you gotta play. Here, let me show you how it's done. Come on! Who brings a "You Suck" sign to a concert? James Franco fans, apparently. Come on, man, crabbits it up a little. How often do you say that? Alright, look. Crouch down a little. Loosen, loosen. Hey, there's no booing. Yeah, but you look good. Let me show you.
So as you can see, all in all, this is a great case. It does what it's supposed to do. And the reason why I got it is because it has a clasp. I don't like magnet cases. I like cases that either has no clasp at all or that has a clasp. So there you go. Looks nice, professional. All the hole cutouts are accurate. You got the speaker over there. So everything works as it's supposed to. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. You have an LG G3, go ahead and pick it up. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.